Hi there, I'm Michelle the Painter. Today you're going to be watching a time-lapse version of my painting Coffee Plumeria. This painting is inspired by a photo that was submitted by one of my Patreon members by the name of Debbie Stroats. I have a benefit for my Patreon members whereby every now and again I'll put a call out for photos. They'll submit some, I turn some of them into YouTube tutorials, and as a thank you, I'll ship off the original painting to whoever submitted the photo. So if you're interested in watching the full-length version of this video or learning more about the Patreon membership program, because there's a lot of additional benefits to use for increasing your artistic and your painting skills, or learning how to submit your photos to me, I have all of that information down below in the video description. So I hope you enjoy. And that is going to conclude this painting. I hope you enjoyed the process. I hope you painted yourself a super cool still life, and I look forward to painting and sipping with you again sometime.